If you're tired of the headaches that come with relying solely on AliExpress for your dropshipping business, you're not alone. From long shipping times to lost packages and the dreaded fake tracking numbers, the horror stories are endless. Trust me, your customers won't be thrilled with 90-day shipping times or low quality products, and that's a one-way ticket to refunds, chargebacks, and a whole bunch of long-term problems. I get it, logistics is the most important part of your business and it's time to upgrade. In today's video, I'll be going over the best dropshipping suppliers and AliExpress alternatives that can save you from those problems. So if you're ready to eliminate the stress that comes with unreliable suppliers, you're in the right place. My name's Alex if you're new. We have a lot to go over, so let's get right into it. All right, my first recommendation is SWho. SWho has an entire product directory where you can find winning products and source reliable suppliers for those products. They allow you to integrate everything directly on Shopify with just a few clicks. It's super easy to set up and get started. They make it incredibly easy to reach out to and work with reliable suppliers for your store. They also have a ton of helpful tools and resources like this pricing control tool right here, where if your pricing changes with your supplier, everything will automatically adjust on your storefront. And unlike AliExpress, you can manage all of your details in just one place. So you guys start by going through their entire product catalog to find a winning product to sell on your store. Then you guys want to analyze the market data for each one of those products. This allows you guys to make informed decisions with each product that you sell. Then once you guys have found a product with potential, you want to compare all of the different suppliers for that product. Once you guys have a supplier narrowed down or a couple, start reaching out to them and see if they're willing to work with your dropshipping business. You can contact them directly on SWho. They make it super easy to do. I'll show you guys an example really quick of some of the tools that they actually offer. So right here, they put together a list of the top 15 trending consumer electronics that other dropshippers are currently selling. They have all of the relevant information about each one of these products, as well as the top relevant suppliers already linked for you. Now, of course, we have to talk pricing because this will play a very important part in your decision-making process. You guys can get their basic plan for $27 a month or their premium plan for $97 a month. Or if you guys want to save a little bit more, you can purchase it annually and save 17% on each one of those packages. Now, my next recommendation is Zendrop. Zendrop's been around for quite a while now, and you guys might remember them as Silk Road if you've been dropshipping for a while. They have a ton of helpful resources to help you guys get started and grow your dropshipping business. They pride themselves on their fast shipping speeds, their US-based warehouses, their world-class support, their custom thank you cards and branding and packaging and so much more. So we're here on the Zendrop dashboard and this is what you'll see when you make your own account. We can go ahead and click on the Find Products tab right here and it's gonna show you all of the top trending products that you can sell on your dropshipping store. You guys can narrow it down like ships from US only. You guys can narrow it down by certain niches and categories, certain suppliers, as well as your price range. And right here, it's gonna show you all of these different options that ship from US warehouses. We can click on one of these products right here, and you guys can see how fast the shipping time actually is. Right here, this is an average shipping time of 5 days to your customer. This ring right here only costs you $8.50 with free shipping, allowing you to sell it for a lot more to your customers. Zendrop will really allow you to increase your profit margins across your entire dropshipping store. You guys can also select My Products right here to see your import list, as well as your order tab right here to select automatic fulfillment so your orders are sent out automatically as they arrive on your dropshipping store. You guys also have a ton of helpful resources like print on demand, bundles and boxes, AliExpress import, where you guys can actually source AliExpress products with Zendrop. And if you select branding right here, this allows you to make custom thank you cards, packaging, and so much more, but you do need a paid plan to access this feature. Now, of course, let's discuss pricing. Zendrop is actually free to get started with, but they do only allow a limited amount of orders to go through each month, so you'll definitely want to upgrade to their Pro plan, which is $49 a month, or their Plus plan, which is $79 a month. Or if you're a high volume seller, you can get your own custom unique plan down here by contacting their sales team. You guys can see all of these different features that are included with their Pro plans. Like for Plus, you guys get $100 in order credits, literally paying for its plan. Not to mention all of these useful resources down here. Now, obviously, pricing is one of the most important parts of your decision making. If you guys don't have a big budget to start, you'll want to ignore some of the higher upfront costs. So this is definitely a great option to get started with because it's free to create an account. Now, my final recommendation and my personal favorite is gotta be FulFillman. Now, FulFillman links up directly with Shopify and they'll source and fulfill all of your orders for you. FulFillman allows you to focus on building your brand while they do all of the hard work. They also have have many great features like custom packaging, flyers, business cards, custom boxes, and so much more. FulFillman sources and warehouses all of your products for you and also offers a private line of logistics, ensuring that they can get you the fastest shipping time out of any of these dropshipping suppliers. They're also very transparent throughout this entire process, giving you a dedicated account manager, keeping you up to date with everything to do with your business. But really quickly, I want to show you how fast their shipping speeds actually are, because it's almost unbelievable. I have a few recent tracking numbers that got sent out to a few of my customers from some of my own stores, all of which are using FulFillman. Take a look at this. This product was delivered in early October and only took 4 days to get from China to Germany. This order was going to the United States and only took 6 days to arrive. Another US tracking number, you guys can see the shipping history down here. Once again, only took 6 days to arrive. 6 days to Germany with this tracking number right here. Germany is a big market on one of my stores. And once again, another tracking number that took 6 days to arrive to Germany. FulFillman by far has the fastest shipping options out of any other AliExpress alternative. You won't find this private line of logistics anywhere else. Now, FulFillman always has the highest quality products and services. They'll send you a sample of your own winning product so you can check the quality yourself. But they go a step further and check every package they send out for quality before it goes to your customers, ensuring you're only selling the highest quality products. This will save you from so many refunds, chargebacks, and just disappointed customers. All of this, and you can get started for free. They'll even provide you with your own dedicated account manager that will handle your business, answer your questions, and relay any information to you that you need to know. And unlike AliExpress, where you actually have to fight with your suppliers to get a refund, they'll refund you under any circumstances that you can see right here. So if something happens to your customer's order on the way there, or if they received the wrong product, you guys will get a full refund, no questions asked. But with the quality control they have in place, you guys probably won't run into any of these problems. So if you guys want access to the best dropshipping suppliers with the highest quality, fastest shipping, and a whole dedicated team of support, just go on FulFillman and select get a free quote. They're incredibly friendly and easy to get started with. I've been using them on quite a few of my own dropshipping stores, and I have nothing but good things to say. This is essential to building a brand. You guys always have to have high quality suppliers. So go ahead and select get a free quote and watch how FulFillman can transform your business. Now that you have the best dropshipping suppliers and AliExpress alternatives, you should notice an increase in customer satisfaction. By providing a good experience up front, you'll earn lifetime customers who keep coming back to buy more. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I have a ton of helpful resources to help you get started down below. Be sure to check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.